What's up, everybody? Just got a new pair of Sony Piiq headphones. This is the Marqii model. Check out the back, and just gonna open them up, show you what they look like. So yeah, they got a little box with the directions in them, and yeah, these things look pretty cool. Got a little bit of graphics on the side here, some kind of Velcro clipping system, a little bit of pink underneath here. Try them on. Yeah, these things are pretty nice. Got a flat cord. Pretty sure it's unique to the Sony headphones. So yeah, I'm stoked to go try these out, test them out. So yeah, this cable is interchangeable. It's like you can pop it out. It's a little connector there. Switch it up, different colors of cord maybe if you want. Get all custom. It's got a locking system right there. Pretty easy, pretty quick.